first question, how do I create a detector that will alert when synthetic tests running on our internal location stop?
So this is a really interesting one, and specifically kind of touches on, but doesn't exactly call out explicitly this idea of missing data. And missing data will just show up as non-reported. So actually, it indeed won't show up. It'll just not be there because we didn't report it. But what we can do is use a couple of different functions. One, the easiest one is to use an extrapolation policy, as shown in the screenshot, for the given metric. In this case, we're using synthetics runs count. So we're going to see how many runs have happened at any given point. You might go in back one slide, please.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah. So this should be one or however many have happened. It may be more, any number given how many locations you have, if you have round robin set, et cetera. But when you aren't reporting, you'll have no data. And so what we can do with this extrapolation policy of 0 is when we have no data, we'll just fill in with zeros. There's another way to do this in signal flow, which is fill parentheses, but the extrapolation policy is the most common. And then you would set up your detector to detect, less than 1 equals 0 or equals 0, et cetera, to detect when you have zeros for a longer period of time than your test run schedule. So if you wanted to, for instance, see if you've missed 2 runs and they run every 15 minutes, you could set your detector to check that it's been less than 1. So you've seen no data, you've seen only zeros for greater than 30 minutes. And that would let you know that you haven't had runs for 2 runs. You could do that for 1 run, any number of runs, obviously. But that extrapolation policy or fill will get you there in terms of making sure that you have a 0 when you have missing data. And we've linked here to the documentation about missing data points that kind of calls out some other information about this. But yeah, that really important part is making sure that you have zeros so that you can say, no, we aren't getting any runs right now.
Yep. And one thing I'd add to this solution, even though we're talking about synthetic tests, which is a little bit off topic of the APM and microservices, the detecting and alerting mechanism that exists in the platform is the same. It's the same engine, throughout the entire observability cloud. So you can apply this same strategy to any signal that you are monitoring and alerting on. So even though this looks like it's a synthetics based question, it really is relevant to anything that you're alerting on, whether it be APM data, infrastructure data, whatever.
Yeah. And this idea of not reporting is also a common thing, not just necessarily for synthetics. And so being able to know when you aren't getting data that you expect can be really, really valuable. Just knowing that your ingest for a given thing isn't happening right now, like that alone can be a super valuable thing and a fairly common thing that I do see people alert on, just to know when, we are expecting a data stream. We aren't getting any telemetry from a cluster or from, an application. And then if that's mission critical, knowing that that data isn't reporting in can be really valuable. So yeah, thank you for calling that out, Brad, because this is not just a solution for synthetics.
Want to sign up for a future community office hours? From community.splunk.com, select events, then office hours Ask the Experts to register for a session across platform, security, or observability. Hope to see you in the next one.